Thank you. Welcome, Sally. Lovely
Thank
to have
you.
you here today. We are going to be talking about the Gentle Scar Therapy program and your experience in it. So, how about you start us off by just introducing yourself, letting us know where you're based and what your special interest in scars is?
So I am a massage therapist. I'm a lymphedema therapist. I've studied medical massage. I primarily work with clients who are in post-surgical recovery from mastectomy surgery and oncology-related surgeries. So my goal is always to try and restore range of motion, reduce pain, give people their quality of life back. And I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada, in the US. So learning gentle scar therapy and having it as part of my work is really important. It's really fabulous to have this. Hmm, I'll tell you that I got interested in massage back in 1983 when I was working actually on a Broadway show. I used to do costumes for theatre and television, and I was working on a Broadway show, and part of our compensation was getting a massage every week, and I just was hooked. That was it. I had to learn, I had to do it. So it's been a few years.
Fantastic, fantastic. And across time, that brought you to working with lots of women, particularly around, is it mastectomy?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, not well, any type of breast surgery it's come
Any
down to. I mean, if when I started out, if you told me I was going to end up working on another woman's breasts, I would have thought you were totally crazy. Like that's nowhere, nowhere in my vision of where I'm going with this. My big thing was working with people with spinal cord injuries. That to me was fascinating, and just seeing how much massage and body work could help people with their mobility following some kind of traumatic injury like that. But I got breast cancer myself back in 2007, and I had never thought about taking care of breasts and what was needed. So that really then changed my whole practice. I did well with the massages and the body work I got from therapists in my office. And my surgeons wanted to know what I was doing and could they send their patients over as well. And it just literally changed the direction of the business, and off we went. Not haven't looked back.
That's incredible. And just that I love that kind of natural progression. Um,
Yeah.
yeah,
I thought about renaming All About Boobs, but I haven't done that yet.
yeah. Yep, that would definitely be
Feels like
attract attention, I'm sure.
feels like
Um,
it some days. Oh.
So, since switching the focus on breast massage and lymphatics and scars and oncology, who is your actual favorite type of client that comes in?
Oh my gosh. Well, for me, because this is how I am, somebody who has had mastectomy, because that's our main clientele, with autologous tissue reconstruction. So whether it's taken from the abdomen or the back or the glute or wherever, because then that always gives me so many scars to work on, right? So many areas of adhesion and damming for the lymphatics. So I really can have fun. It's like a puzzle that you want to put back together, right? Make this picture look like it started out. That's my favorite. It gets me every time when somebody says, I didn't realize I could feel this way again. And scar work is so important in that, right? There's scars everywhere when somebody's had those kinds of surgeries.
Absolutely. They're very special people actually, aren't they? And we've met through the Gentle Scar Therapy program, which is an online training, which meant that you could take it from Vegas, which was amazing. What actually drew you to take this training with us?
Well, like I said, I see a lot of clients that have tissue restrictions. And I was really looking for another way to treat scars. We're taught so many different ways, and none of them really were very kind. And when somebody's gone through surgeries like that, they don't need something else that's uncomfortable. And so I forget exactly where I heard about your program. It was probably in an online group, a Facebook group. There's so many different ones for massage therapists. But I saw this and somebody had mentioned how fabulous it was. And I thought, gentle scar therapy. That title alone is what my clients need. They need something gentle. They've gone through enough. And when they come in to a massage room, they want something that is going to deregulate their nervous system, right? Not cause more anxiety. And it was just like, you've got to do this one. And so and so I did. I mean, it's fantastic. It really did stand out as something that was really needed. Beyond curious.
For you, how was the online program for you in this?
So this one in particular was fantastic for me. I am very busy with everything I do, trying to find a course that interests me, that fascinates me, that I haven't already done some version of in the past, is usually a challenge. But again, this one just called to me. And I was really surprised, pleasantly surprised at how well this translated into the format that you put it into, right? The demonstrations, the structure, it made it really easy to follow. The timing of it, where we were given so much time in between, meant, okay, yes, I can set aside this much time to spend in the Zoom, but also to do the at-home learning on my time. So I made that schedule. It just worked for me. It was perfect.
Yeah, cool.
Perfect.
It's great. It's like music to my ears, Sally. Thank you. What I'd love to know is really what were the best parts for you personally, and what were the more challenging parts?
So what worked, of course, was the fact you can go to a client and I'm going to play. I need to try this right away, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And so getting the results right away, just getting immediate feedback of how effective this was and how good it felt. That was very gratifying. It really was. I loved that response, and I loved that I had it to offer now rather than something else that was going to be uncomfortable. And the results from this are fantastic.
yeah,
Um, the most challenging part is unlearning, right? It's always the same because you do something a certain way for a certain amount of time, and then all of a sudden, now we're going to try this way. And to find that this way gave the results that I really wanted from someone and so quickly and effectively, that I mean that was the best. That was the biggest takeaway from this.
that's very cool. That's yeah, yeah, and I agree.
Of
Sometimes,
course you do.
sometimes
You
being, well, I would agree that, the results and everything, but however, being a beginner again can be a challenge. And the unlearning, yeah, I definitely hear that.
yeah. It's But we need to do that, I think, in order to grow, because otherwise you get set, right? Especially with body work. Oh, this works. I'm just going to keep using it.
Yeah,
But there's so many other things that work with the body, and everybody's different, which is what makes this work so
yeah,
interesting, so fascinating. With the
absolutely.
lymphatic system, which clearly this helps with too, right?
Right,
The
absolutely.
way the fascia dams up, and you have to release it.
Mm.
And this is such an effective way of doing that.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. It dovetails in with lymphatic work beautifully.
It's not one where you say, well, it's worth it. It's just a moment of pain. It'll be worth it afterwards, right? You don't have that with this.
Yeah, which is amazing. As
That's fine.
as a therapist who has said, "Oh, this might be challenging to the tissue," which was the phrase I was taught. Um, yeah, that phrase is not in my vocabulary anymore.
Right, right. It's definitely added to what I knew already, in as much as I see how the tissue responds, how the client responds to working the tissue that way,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Rather than it being something, because I've done myofascial work before, and clearly you've done lymphatic and energy work and all of this. But this just ties it all together. And I think maybe you want me to say this, maybe you don't, but there's a huge energetic level to the work that you do that brings these results, whether somebody's conscious or unconscious of that fact. It really is that energetic component that brings these results too. And that is so fascinating to watch, not just for the therapists around, right, when you're doing this work, but also for the client to feel that and to be able to release. I mean, that's huge.
Yeah, and honestly, I don't even really think about that component at all, which
Yeah,
is
it's
really fascinating. It is there.
yeah,
It's not something we say as part, we use intuition, but we don't generally say, oh, now this is the energetic bit.
no, it
And
just
it's kind
happened,
of, it's
right?
interesting though, because it is there, but we
Yeah,
just don't talk about that.
right.
Not really. However, everyone has an energy and an all the things that they carry with them into the
Right,
treatment room. Yeah.
right.
And our clients bring whatever they've got, and it's somehow we kind of meet. Yeah.
Yeah,
In a
yeah.
way there. Yeah.
But
It's
that's always
fascinating. Yeah.
because, especially with the clients I work with, right? If they're going through oncology treatments or other different things, the massage room is a safe space,
Mm.
right? It's not, they're not fearful of medical treatments or um, what's going to happen to me next, right? They come literally to get it off their chest. I mean, that's what happens.
Yeah.
So all that tension, all that pain, whether it's coming off the chest and through the therapist's ear or out into the whatever's in the room, it stays in that space. And for us to have a new way of addressing scars, which sometimes can be really uncomfortable emotionally, physically, mentally, right, for someone to work with. This is just so comforting, this way of working. It's so comforting for those clients and very easy to just bring in and offer. So, no,
Yeah.
it's wonderful.
Yeah. Wow. It's so, and just having this conversation, I'm like, yeah, I've never really thought of it like that. But yes, you're right. It's true. And I mean, we do cover about the aspects of how a scar impacts the whole person. But I've
Right.
never really thought about that. They just let it all go, and you know what I mean? And then they can get up and just feel like themselves again and leave the
Right.
room
That's
and then we kind of
exactly.
you know
You kind of leave your worries in that room, right?
leave it
Leave your cares
there
behind you, and off you go. And now
and
here we
off you
go.
go.
Collect a whole bunch more
Yeah,
stuff that we'll bring in next time and leave with
yeah.
you.
Really,
It encourages
yeah,
that release.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's lovely.
amazing, really. And I do feel people do that when I'm thinking about it. I think, yeah, they really do. Even if it's just a sigh
Exactly.
or or just like they just kind of feel lighter. I'm gonna have a think about all of this. You,
I think you
yeah,
put that across, even if you're not conscious of what you're saying in your
yeah,
class. I really think you are teaching that at the same time. It comes
yeah.
across.
Wow.
It really does.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hmm. It must just be part of what I do with,
Mhm.
that unconscious competence is really what I'm
Exactly.
thinking. Yeah.
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 Absolutely.
No, it's fabulous. I loved how you brought other people in with the little videos and with the interviews that you did. I really did enjoy that because it added substance, right? It added a lot to it. It wasn't just this is a technique I've got and this is what we're going to do. You brought in more learning than what was going to be expected. So that stood out to me. You brought in nutrition and you brought in anatomy, and that was really, I thought, important. I mean, apart from the client interviews, which are always, I think, are always enlightening.
Yeah.
But that part of it with the nutritionalist and then
Real
because
pain.
you forget, you learn all that, and then you really don't think about it. If you're not doing visceral massage, right, on a daily basis, you really don't think about where everything fits.
It's just, how's
And then there's this scar and nothing underneath it's moving, and you're like, I can help you with that by loosening the scar, right? So,
yeah. So I
right.
think in massage we don't learn a huge amount of visceral anatomy.
But we still
However,
don't palpate it, do we? Don't look at it that way, which
yeah,
it is really helpful. Yeah, there's so much to your class. I think I mentioned briefly before because I do teach a class, right, on how to work with the breasts and everything. But when it comes to scar tissue, because of course we have to address that in the class, and I'm like, I wish there was someone because I send people for oncology classes and these different ones. I have recommendations. I wish there was a scar class that I really loved enough to send everybody to, and this would be it. This
Wow.
is the one because it really is perfect for the clients that we work with. I mean, anybody facing trauma of any kind needs this gentle work. And that's it. It really did stand out to me that the word has to get out there. This has to be out there more.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So, like I said, the biggest takeaway is the fact that you slow down and you're gentle. It is literally gentle scar therapy, right? That's the biggest takeaway is that it lives up to its name. This therapy is fantastic. Would I recommend it?
Yeah, what would you say to therapists considering doing this program?
I would say it's an incredible addition to any therapeutic program that they may have for their clients. It's an incredible addition. I mean, especially anybody working with post-surgical clients. Um, it's not just a technique, right? It's a valuable clinical tool, is how I would describe it for this. It would be such a great addition to their toolbox for anybody wanting to take this. There's so much learning within your modules, within your whole class that it's well worth taking.
Thank you, Sally. Thank you so much for your time today, Sally. And
Of course, thank you.
we'll end our interview there. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.